Okay, so I'm originally from Northern Ontario, but I moved here in Vancouver, there, Coquitlam, over 30 years ago. I'm still working, and besides doing photography, I cycle as well. I've always been a very active person, and I just love the outdoors. I basically took a course at school, then I got myself a darkroom, and then I entered in a photography contest and I won. I was looking at my trophy the other way. I go, oh my God, I still have that. Years later, I was a wedding photographer in my hometown, but wildlife photography has always been what I love the most. Like, so how long did you sit to catch that? I said, probably an hour or more. They go, oh my God, how can you do it? But I mean, for me, I don't even care. I know I'm going to say my other question here, but I don't care if I come back home and I don't even have one picture. Just to be out there and look at nature and, try anything with your camera. So, well, at first it's like they don't need expensive camera gear to start with. And then learn how your camera works, shoot in manual from the start. And then it's basically practice a lot and explore and have fun. For me, it's a way to disconnect from the busy world. When I look through my viewfinder while I compose my pictures, I see things very differently. So let's say that my camera is my de-stressor pill, I call it. And I'm lucky because I've been working out of my house for years. So my background is, I see the birds and I got this little ravine here, so I'm very happy. For me, it's a hobby. I just love being out there and explore and take pictures and, maybe one day teach. I come across some people sometimes and they go like, hey, do you know about this? And then, I'll kind of show them and, so then they're very happy and they go like, oh, wow, I didn't know this button did that. There's always something to learn. There's always something to learn. It takes a lot of practice to get those amazing shots, but that comes with a lot of patience as well. But you have to have fun as well, or else, you'll get very frustrated. There's a lot to learn to be a good photographer, and like I said earlier, I'm still learning. It's with everything with life, you learn every day. And then being more a wildlife photographer myself, there are days sometimes when I get home that I don't even have a photo that I like. I'm very critical on my work. I took different courses over the years, and one that I would suggest is, Learn Photography Canada. They have amazing courses that I do recommend if somebody's looking in taking some. The courses are great, yeah. And Jana's a good teacher.